Hey everybody, this is Peter McKernan here at H&M Realty. Wanted to talk a little bit about, we're coming up on the election. I know a lot of people are sitting on the sidelines about real estate, just kind of seeing what's going to happen after the election. This is mid-October, so I guess, the next time I film, get some videos out, it's most likely going to be after the election. And there's really not going to be anything that changes, significantly right after, the day or two after, outside of maybe some market volatility on the stock market, depending on who takes office or who stays in office. However, at the end of the day, at least for us as real estate agents, real estate professionals, you have the elections, which is early November, then you move into the holiday season, and really there's some certain things that for instance, for myself, and then also what I read and what I followed up with a lot of economists and everything like that, nothing's really going to change much in the near future, so next 2, 3, 4, 5 months, especially because we have those lulls in the holiday season, then you get into January, and then for instance, if there's some laws or regulations changed, it's not going to happen until the middle of next year. So that may put you at ease a little bit, especially if you're looking for a house to buy or a house to sell. We still have some time where if there is a change in office, we would be able to still know that it's still going to stay pretty stable going into 2021. And that's because interest rates are still going to be low. That's projected from the feds, and they already had a meeting at the end of September that's basically saying that they're going to keep interest rates the way they are, and there's really not going to be any tick up. The one thing that I would say later down the road next year and into 2022 is inflation. If that starts going up, it's going to probably change a little bit of the market and change a little bit of what we're seeing. So just be sure that you're keeping an eye on, for one, the stock market after the elections to see if that really drops or if it stays the same or it goes up a little bit. So make sure, because obviously, especially with higher prices, $1, $2, $3 million homes and above, that's really compared to what the stock market and how volatile that is. Because ultimately, if the stock market's doing weird things, just like it did early this year in 2020, that's ultimately what's going to happen in 2021. If the stock market dives down, then ultimately those higher home prices are probably going to fluctuate a lot more than the middle range, at least for us, the 3 to like 750 range. So just make sure you're mindful of that. Make sure you're watching the interest rates, and I'll keep you posted on what we're really seeing here and what the interest rates are saying and what we've been seeing on the interest rates. So hope you're well. If you have any questions, or you maybe want to give some feedback on what your thoughts are about the elections coming up for what it's going to do to the market, comment below. Thanks for watching.